Hey, so thanks for tuning in today. We're going to go over how to clean a shower and tub drain that's clogged. This one is not completely clogged, but it is somewhat clogged and draining too slow for the homeowner. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this cover plate. By removing this cover plate, we'll be able to get to the overflow drain. And we'll run a snake down the overflow drain and clear the clog. Sometimes these plates will adhere to the tub a little bit, and you can break them loose just by shaking them, typically. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to release the set screw here. Just back it off enough to where you can pull this out. So we'll remove that, release the set screw here. We want to insert this until we feel the first resistance. And you can tighten this set screw up. Turn this while you push in to advance that into the drain. Push till you feel resistance again. Tighten that up again. Turn. Push past any resistance. Resistance. Turn and push. Release the set screw and advance it some more. And you can do this several times until you feel you've gone far enough. Pull that out. And you should see an increase in the rate of drain if you cleared the clog. We do hear somewhat of an increase, not a full increase. And we don't see but just a little bit of hair on this. A lot of times you'll get a huge clog of hair. So what I like to do is put a little more water in here and then plunge, because some of the clog could be before it gets down to the P-trap. I like to remove this drain cover as well. If your tub has one, I would remove it, because you can get to some preliminary clogs this way. A lot of times this needs cleaning. It'll have soap scum and hair clogged in it. Based on how slow this is draining, I would say that the majority of our clog is right here, because I think we went plenty far enough with the auger. So now I'll just take some paper towel or toilet paper and clean out what I can see here. Now we'll run some more water in the tub and plunge it to see if that helps. And as you can see, that took care of our clog. So the next thing I'll do is put all this back together. You want to clean this plug off, and if you have any plumber's silicone. You might apply a little bit on this to ease it sliding up and down within the pipe. Next, we'll reinstall the cover after cleaning it and fill the tub up with about 3 inches of water and let that go down. If that fixed it, then we're good. If not, we may need to plunge again, but I think in our case, we've got it covered. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel where we put out one video a week dealing with different DIY topics to help you do more things DIY.